Okay, now let's go over to media and disk cache. Now we want to make sure that that is enabled. We should set it to a hard drive that has at least 100 to 200 gigabytes free on it. And I normally set this to about 100. You can set it to more if you have a larger hard drive, but 100 seems to work fine. Over the years working as a visual effects supervisor, I've noticed a lot of people do not empty the disk cache, or they don't clean the database of cache on their system. The result of this can be hundreds and hundreds of gigabytes taking up space on your hard drive. These are temporary files, and After Effects will create new temporary files when you open it up again. So if you are constantly creating After Effects files, I would recommend that every month or two you go into the preferences and empty the disk cache. For me it's 2.1 gigs, so I will wipe that and clean database.